Even Pakistan had two countries supporting him. Has anybody come out openly and condemned what Pakistan did? உங்களை நான் எந்த விதத்திலையும் ஏத்துக்க தயாராக இல்லை. உங்களுடைய ஐடியாலஜியாக இருக்கட்டும், நீங்க இந்த நாட்டில் விதைக்கக்கூடிய விஷ விதைகளாக இருக்கட்டும், அவை வேறறுக்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்பதிலே எனக்கு இருவேறு கருத்துக்கள் கிடையாது. ஆனால் இந்த நாடு என்று வரும்பொழுது இந்த நாட்டின் இறையாண்மையை நான் நம்புகிறேன். ஆனால் இன்னொரு நாட்டிலே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு தலைவர் குறைந்தபட்சம் 25 முறை பாகிஸ்தானுக்கும் இந்தியாவிற்கும் இடையே போர் நிறுத்தத்தை கொண்டு வந்தது நான் என்று சொல்கிறார். I don't want to believe him. I want to believe you. But what narrative have you set for me to believe? I want to believe you. I want to believe my government.
You don't want us to believe.
But he has said it 25 times. What reply have you given?
Nothing.
Why do we have to just suffer in silence and take it? Is this your foreign policy? Our Prime Minister has traveled to practically every country in the world. He's practically not here. Even when Parliament is functioning, he's not here. That is how it is. And we have a person from Foreign Service as our Minister, External Affairs Minister. He speaks very well. But what have we achieved when it comes to diplomacy? Even Pakistan had two countries supporting him. Has anybody come out openly and condemned what Pakistan did in this soil and continues to do? Is this your foreign policy? Do you have no friends? Why is it that we do not have any friendly neighbors, we don't have any fair weather friends, we don't have anybody to come out and openly support us and condemn a country which is sponsoring terrorism against India? Haven't you failed?
Yes.
In your diplomacy? Even to bring examples from Tamil Nadu. I think you have the best relationship with Sri Lanka today. You even landed an amazing deal for one of your friends, which the Congress, I think, sadly is not capable of doing when it was in power. But you have achieved that. But still, our fishermen get arrested every day, and our chief minister has to write to you. Their boats are not released. Why can't you use your good offices for the people of this country and not only for your friends?
Yes.
Is this not a failure in your diplomacy?